What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Ares.Reigns here, back again with another video, and it's time for that season once again. We're heading into the holidays. It is the month of December, and I got some of the best gifts that you could possibly give a spouse, a friend, a colleague, anything, and it all varies on price ranges. So let's say, for example, you're getting a gift for your colleague. You know he rides a bike, he or she, rides a bike, and you would like to get them a good gift, something under $20 perhaps, for like a Secret Santa gift. And this is one of the best tools you can have that you can put underneath the bike. It's a Stockton multi-tool. It comes with hex tips. If you want to see close up, it's got hex tips on it, as well as screwdriver tips. And you got Phillips flathead and even one for the sockets. And it's got the standard sockets that you can put on your bike and just wrench away, so you don't have to worry about carrying a lot of tools out and about like I used to carry them in my backpack. Man, that was a cluster for me. It was painful for me. I did not like it one bit. But this is a Stockton tool as well. You can get these off of Redzilla or Cycle Gear, any local Cycle Gear store. If you know somebody that owns a bigger bike and has saddlebags or side bags, you can also invest in a Stockton tool bag here. This is roughly around approximately $40. So let's say you have somebody that you know can benefit from this. It has everything that you need, from zip ties, wrenches. It has a cheap ratchet on there. It's got safety wire as well. It's got all the things that you need in case you get stranded, which is a perfect gift for anybody for these holidays. Over here, if you know somebody that likes to cruise and have their jams, playing on their phone, as well as having navigation, directions and stuff with their Senna talk pieces, you can also invest in a RAM mount. I have it installed on my bike. It's kind of rickety right now, so because I got the wrong size, so I haven't been using it lately, but when I change it out and put the real one on there, man, this thing is clutch, honestly. I can orient it in any way, shape, or form, as well as the RAM mount systems are perfect for the track. I have one that has the bearing for me to connect it to, so that way I can actually record all my video and track sessions. This is a perfect camera for that, and it's allowed on the track as long as it's safety wired. So a RAM mount kit, and they're very modular. As well as, it comes with a kit as well, the Muc-Off. So you don't want to be using water, it's cold, you want to wash your bike, you don't want to freeze your hands. This is the perfect 2-in-1 combo. You can get this off of Amazon, or you can get it off any motorcycle store. I've seen the pack. It comes in a box, it's your waterless wash and your motorcycle protected. By the way, this thing smells like passion fruit. It's amazing. And it comes with 2 rags, Muc-Off brand rags. So I have them here, and that's the set right there. If you want to go a little bit more hardcore, since it's winter time, you want to purchase something to keep your hands warm. That's a problem that most of us have. We can keep our body warm, but our hands are the ones that are freezing, especially when we ride on sports bikes. In come the Joe Rocket Heated Technology gloves. These are battery-powered gloves that they come with a charger. It's a split-off charger that goes connected onto the batteries onto the wall. So this is perfect for that. It'll keep your hands warm. 1.5 hours if you go at full power. So right there is level 1. That'll last you about 4 hours, about 2 hours, and 1.5 at full blast. And then you just turn it off by going back to the minus sign. One key note though, it kind of hurts if you're wearing a watch, so you might want to have to remove your watch. This comes with some cons. It causes wrist pressure, so don't tighten it way too much. Enough is enough. So I only use it in the morning commutes, because in the afternoon here in San Diego, it gets warmer. Last but not least, I have, so this is a little bit of a stretch. Anything with a liner will do. This is from the company Enginehawk, which is the maker of Roadside. I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite thermal. This says here Enginehawk on there. You feel the material, it's nice and smooth. It's got this very leathery feel to it, velvety feel to it. So when I put it on, I'm nice and cozy. I even use this to go out sometimes, and I feel nice and warm. I like this jacket. I put it underneath all my stuff when it's winter riding, and I feel nothing on my chest. I am perfectly warm the entire ride. And one thing right now that's for sale on Revzilla and Cycle Gear are Trackside stands. This would be a perfect gift as a set, because right now they're on special. Normally this thing, it says here $119 or $120, should I say, for the front, and the rear is also like around $100. But right now you can get a sale on Cycle Gear or Revzilla. Right now they're $69 each because of the holidays. Perfect gift when you bundle them up in two. You're ready to go to the track. This lifts up right here at the bottom part of your fork bolt, and the other one, I changed it out to the spools because normally you can switch this out. It's got the block, it's universal, so if you got the swing arm spools, you can put the hook on there, or if you don't have it, you can rest the block onto the frame of the swing arm. That's pretty much all I got for right now. If you guys have any more ideas as to what you could possibly use for this winter or for the holiday period, by all means, comment on the video, you know, share some insights, something that I probably could have missed and maybe I possibly would like myself. Yeah, I know I haven't been riding as much lately. I mean, I have been, but I haven't been recording outside as much lately because it's been cold, so, but I still ride. I ride every day. I commute to work with my bike. I take it to the playground occasionally, like every other week. So I actually take it. So I gotta break in the tires first. The brand new Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3s. So I gotta break those tires in before I start taking them to the twisties. Upcoming track days, I got one coming up in January. I'll be going to that one. So stay tuned for more videos. I'll have a track day video as well. Again, this is Ares.Reigns. Peace out, guys.